Daqin help customer open a store for making and selling custom mobile phone skin and case, screen protector and full body protection film. Daqin provide cutter and multiple kinds of texture skin material for making mobile skin for any mobile phone, such as super shining, colorful matte, camo, leather, carbon fiber, metal brush, wood grain, light sensitive, etc. Also, it can make custom mobile case. Do you have interest of opening a store? Daqin provide everything necessary for you to start this business. Daqin provides software, machines, film materials, tools and training videos. You can create your own brand and start your own small business. Daqin provides software, machines, sticker paper, tools and training video for you to start this business. You can open a store with your own brand. Also, you can add this project in your current mobile accessories store, mobile phone repair store, gift store, shopping mall kiosk and so on.